have to make sure that there is a light here, so to ensure that the current is being supplied from the main power line. And you simply turn this on, turn this one on, and the next step is to turn on your signal generator. Turn this one on. So this is the button, so you have to make sure that there is a light. There should be an ambient light coming off, and turn it on. And what else? You have to turn on the oscilloscope. This is the power button for the oscilloscope. Turn it on and then give it some time to boot, and you may proceed with connecting the cables like so. So the first step is to simply press this auto set button. So it will automatically gather the signal from the AC generator to the oscilloscope. So if you focus on the AC generator, you turn the frequency knob, you will find that your sine wave is compressing and decompressing depending on the direction of your turn. If you turn right, then it will compress. If you turn left, it will decompress.